Welcome to the Weather Center. Our latest satellite picture is showing us storm clouds that gave us isolated thunderstorms on Saturday over the southwestern, central and eastern parts of the country, as well as across northwestern South Africa. Now, some of the storms you see here are going to stay with us for much of your Saturday night. Then on Sunday, we start off the day with this cold front introducing light rain and drizzle into much of the south coast and the adjacent interior. We're also going to see thunderstorms starting early in the morning over parts of the Eastern Cape, and during the course of the day, the storms will spread eastwards into much of KwaZulu-Natal and also into the Free State and parts of the Northern Cape. We're also going to see these storms spilling into the westernmost areas of the northwest towards the evening hours. Otherwise, it should stay mostly fine for much of northeastern South Africa, particularly across the Limpopo province. Now, you will need to watch out for heavy rains that could reach and exceed 50 millimeters through Sunday across the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and over western KwaZulu-Natal. We have a warning in place for gale force winds in places along the southwest coastline where winds could reach 40 kilometers per hour around Cape Town. Fresh to strong winds are also forecast for the central and eastern areas of the Northern Cape. Otherwise, you can expect light to moderate winds for the eastern half of the country and also along the south and the east coast. We are expecting isolated afternoon and evening thundershowers for your Sunday for much of the Northern Cape, where it's going to be pretty hot in most areas. Prieska and Appington both peaking at around 37 degrees on Sunday afternoon. Light rain is forecast for the southern and central parts of the Western Cape. Cape Town should get away with partly cloudy skies, warming to around 25 degrees. We are going to see isolated to scattered rain and thundershowers over the Southern Cape areas, where it's going to be pretty mild along much of the south coast. Unsettled weather is forecast on Sunday for much of the Eastern Cape, where highs in the lower to mid-20s are forecast for the bulk of the province. It's also going to be pretty unsettled for much of KwaZulu-Natal, Port Shepstone and Durban, both warming to 26 degrees. Sizzling hot, however, for Ladysmith and Newcastle, with highs in the mid-30s. Thundershowers are also forecast for the central and southern areas of Mpumalanga and Mbombela. Will be mostly sunny and hot for your Sunday afternoon. Sunny and hot weather is forecast across much of the Limpopo province, where Musina should hit the 40-degree mark on Sunday afternoon. It's going to be partly cloudy, dry and hot in most areas across the northwest, but thundershowers are possible in the evening around Vryburg. We are going to see isolated thundershowers across much of the Free State, where Bloemfontein and Welkom should peak at around 31 degrees. Gauteng gets away with partly cloudy skies on Sunday, a hot 35 for the high in Pretoria. And now looking ahead to your Monday, we are going to see thundershowers extending from the northwestern areas down into parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Rain is forecast over the Southern Cape areas. Then on Tuesday, thundershowers are forecast over central and northeastern South Africa. Rain in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal.